What's your name?
My name is
Napal, and what's about you? Anton, and you? Yes, okay. Napat, where are we going today?
We are going to the aquarium.
The aquarium. Can you give me example what we can see in the aquarium?
Jellyfish,
Jellyfish, stingray, fish. What else from you? Electric eel. Do you think you can see that? Coral, very good. Like dangerous fish, like shark. Yes. Can we see whales? No, it's too big, right? What about you? A crab. Okay, very good. I have a question. Corals are animals or plants? Animals. Very good. They look like plants, but they are animals, right? Plankton. Biggie plankton. Yeah. They look beautiful. Say goodbye. Who start first? Sodium.
Helium, lithium, hydrogen, carbon, iron, boron, oxygen, potassium, uranium, magnesium.
Carbon dioxide, who said it?